You are probably not going to look at a jar of old buttons the same way after this video because people are creating some unbelievably creative fashion pieces with them right now. I was scrolling Pinterest and finding ideas where buttons were being turned into jewelry, purse details, clothing upgrades, accessories, and fashion designs that honestly look way more expensive than you would ever expect from something so small. Some of these ideas are elegant, some are quirky, and a few of them made me stop and think, okay, wait, that is actually genius. Today, we are diving into creative ways to upcycle buttons into fashion and accessories that can completely transform ordinary items into something unique and full of personality. I linked the Pinterest board in the description so you can scroll through all the inspiration and patterns yourself. And I want you to vote on your favorite idea because once we hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning project in my own style. Whether you love DIY fashion, sewing, jewelry making, thrift flips, or creative handmade accessories, these button ideas might completely change the way you look at old sewing supplies forever. So grab your coffee, your fabric scraps, and maybe that mysterious button jar everyone somehow ends up with, because these ideas are too creative to miss. There's something hilarious about the fact that almost every person who sews somehow ends up with a random button collection they refuse to throw away. It does not matter if the buttons came from an old coat, a thrift store baggie, a broken purse, or a shirt that disappeared sometime during the previous century. Suddenly, those buttons become emotionally important. Crafters will hold up the tiniest, weirdest button imaginable and say something like, "I cannot get rid of this because I might need it someday." And somehow that someday always feels extremely serious. The funny part is that the button jar starts out organized and reasonable, then slowly evolves into a chaotic treasure chest of mystery, buttons that all seem to have different backstories. Some are fancy, some are mismatched, some look like they survived the Great Depression, and some are glittery enough to blind you under direct lighting. But that little jar represents creativity in a really interesting way because every button feels like a future idea waiting to happen. One tiny button can completely change the look of a jacket, purse, necklace, or shirt with almost no effort at all. That is what makes button upcycling so fun, because the smallest details often create the biggest transformation. A plain denim jacket suddenly feels artsy with vintage buttons. A basic purse becomes unique with colorful accents. Even simple jewelry projects can start looking boutique, handmade instead of mass-produced. There's also something strangely comforting about keeping those little pieces around because every button feels like potential. Even the odd mismatched ones somehow survive every decluttering attempt because deep down your brain is convinced that one dramatic purple button will absolutely change your life one day. That is basically the emotional support button jar experience in a nutshell. Tiny objects carrying massive creative confidence for absolutely no logical reason at all. What starts out as a simple button collection eventually changes the way you see fashion and creativity altogether. Once you begin experimenting with button upcycling, you stop looking at clothing as finished products and start seeing opportunities to customize everything. Suddenly, a plain cardigan feels incomplete without decorative buttons. A tote bag starts begging for colorful accents, and jackets somehow become blank canvases waiting for personality. That is the fun of creative sewing and fashion upcycling, because little projects can completely shift your mindset without you even noticing it at first. If you want more ideas after this video, there is a playlist linked in the description with more creative sewing projects, DIY fashion inspiration, and upcycling ideas from previous videos that you can explore next. You will also find helpful sewing supplies and beginner-friendly tools linked below in case you want to experiment with your own button projects and fashion transformations. The really interesting thing about button upcycling is that it encourages creativity without pressure, because buttons are small enough to feel manageable but powerful enough to make a huge visual difference. That gives you room to experiment, make mistakes, and discover your own style without feeling overwhelmed. Sometimes the funniest projects end up becoming your favorites because they carry personality instead of perfection. And honestly, that is part of what makes handmade fashion feel more special than something pulled off a store shelf. It reflects your humor, creativity, and willingness to try something different. So if you are enjoying these creative button ideas and fashion upcycling projects, make sure to like and subscribe for more sewing inspiration, thrift flip ideas, and DIY fashion videos. And when this video ends, check out the next one, because there are even more creative transformations waiting for you there. And I will see you in the next video.